All right, we want to look very quickly. Why does an inequality flip when you divide by a negative number? Okay, so for example, we have negative 2n bigger than 6. We come in here, we divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, and they tell us, oh, flip the inequality when you divide by a negative. Well, why? Why do I have to do that? Well, let's take a look. Let's say we have a number line. And here's the number -4, and let's go with 2. Now, if we come in here and we multiply each of these guys, let's say we're going to multiply by 2. Well, let's look where they move. -4 times 2 would move him to -8. 2 times -2 would move him to where? 4. They sort of it just moved further apart, didn't they? But what if we come in here? Let's move down a little bit. Let's say we have that same thing. So we have -4 and we have +2. What if we come in here and this time we're going to multiply by -2? Look what happens. -4 times -2. This guy moves over here to 8. 2 times -2, he moves over to where? -4. What happened to the numbers? They flipped locations. Yeah, they flipped. They completely flipped. So when we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative, the numbers are flipping, which right here, notice that 2 is being eaten. But what happens? All of a sudden, he moves. That inequality sort of needs to flip what happens because all the numbers move to their locations. So we got to be careful not to be keeping it going like this because that was this guy moving there. So basically what happens is numbers flip their location. So we have to flip that inequality sign to keep up with them.